Hi guys, Mr. Ross back again. I am here to talk about lesson 17. So if we look at our calendar here, lesson 17 says that we are going to be reviewing anatomy of volcanic eruption and a tsunami unfolds and escape from Pompeii, all three of them. Doing page 305 of our Readers and Writers Journal, and then doing page 306 to continue our PBA. So let's take a quick look at the Readers and Writers Journal. I want you to note that we're not doing these two pages. This is going to be page 304. You can skip those two pages, that page with those two activities. You will be doing page 305. These are some vocabulary, or not vocabulary questions. These are some comprehension questions where you're going to be comparing. So if you want to take a look with me, I'll read the questions. Reread pages 8 and 9 of a volcanic eruption. How does this information in this section relate to a tsunami unfolds? So how are anatomy of volcanic eruption and a tsunami unfolds, how are they similar? Reread pages 12 and 13 of a tsunami unfolds. How does this information in this section relate to escape from Pompeii? So now you're comparing escape from Pompeii to a tsunami unfolds. And then the last one says write a paragraph that explores the differences and similarities of each of the three texts. Which text do you think provides the most useful facts and details? Use examples to support your answer. So those three questions shouldn't take very long. What I am expecting the most of your time today is going to be continuing your PBA. And again, make sure that you are focusing on the PBA. I crossed this off. We're not going to be doing that today. This is just asking you to continue to edit and proofread your news report. So in order to do that successfully, you need to kind of know what the requirements are for that PBA again. So let me see if I have them right here. Yep. So you need to introduce your topic clearly, group related information into paragraphs with headings, develop the topic with information from your research, include illustrations or other visuals, link ideas using phrases such as another, for example, also, use domain-specific vocabulary, and have a strong conclusion. If you remember mine last time, I was missing my strong conclusion and I didn't have domain-specific vocabulary, and I also didn't have a visual. So I fixed mine up a little bit and I put those things in. You can see now that I made a conclusion. Earthquakes happen very frequently in this world. Make sure that you take proper steps to be ready, because you never know when the next big one will be. This is Zachary Ross for KOMO 4 News. Back to Steve and Kristen in the studio. Again, I kind of made it up to sound like I was actually doing a news report. And then I made this visual. But it wasn't just putting the visual in. I had to have some domain-specific vocabulary like epicenter to go along with that. So if you look up here, I actually added that into my second paragraph. So it says, if we pick up from the top, earthquakes can be very dangerous to living things. One way they can be dangerous is people can be injured or killed during the earthquake because of falling or crumbling things. They can also cause landslides and tsunamis, which can destroy animal habitats and human homes. The earthquake is the strongest near the epicenter. It gets weaker the further away from the epicenter. Now you notice how my picture goes along with that information. If you feel an earthquake coming, it is important to get under a strong desk or table to protect yourself from harm. Alright guys, that's what mine is looking like so far. I can't wait to see yours. Make sure that you are pausing on this screen or having your teacher send you this. I apologize, I have not actually sent this to my students. I will do that first thing in the morning. Have a good day. If you need any help, please reach out to us.